Well, Slobbin returned from a short little vacation. Speaking of vacation, we're here in Orlando. Hung Low is got a little something planned for our hotel roommates over here.
Yeah, the Brady Bunch roommates. As you can tell, I like to make myself at home.
Finish the job. Wildcats in the Sweet 16 for the first time ever.
Oh man, that was their bed. What do you? That can't be good.
As you can see, we got our Oreo cookies from Turd Ferguson's flight. Hold on.
Maybe you should actually wipe your ass.
Right now, we're gonna have this. Right on their bed. This is only the beginning of the Slobbin knobs coming back. On the roll here. And once again, we're gonna play a prank on the Brady Bunch roommates. They're gonna be coming in their room, and this is the bed where they're gonna be laying, where they will have no clue until I show them the footage on the way back when they're taking the rent.
And we're excited to say,
I love what this is for you, Timmy. Hey. Bird. You get my pants? Turd. Alright, cut it. This is Hung Low here, and our roommates are about to arrive anytime. Hi, Turd. What do you think about the trip, by the way, Turd? We haven't seen nothing of you. Turd? Oh, no. Oh, what's going on, Turd? Are you enjoying your vacation in Orlando?
Oh, it's great.
Great? Wow, we just took a nice swim. Let's try to check our room. So, Slobbin knobs are back again. Mike, get in there.
I'm here.
Alright. So, our roommates should be in there, and what we're gonna do is reverse the trash man on them. Alright, get in here. Alright.
what are you guys say?
We're going to 7.
That's awesome.
So, who are you guys rooting for Mania?
Mayweather, Undertaker, Shawn Michaels.
Triple H?
Triple H. Oh, Ferguson likes Triple H. Oh, this is 9. Oh, no, 7. Alright, I'll see you guys later. We're going to check our rooms. Alright, here we go. Alright, remember, freak out. Freak out. 1, 2, 1. What the fuck?
They're not here.
Dude, I think they took off. No, the crew's here. This sucks. They confronted us all. Saying like, do you know we're gonna be in here for 4 days? What did he expect? Get in a room Slobbin trivia. We're gonna pause this right now.